Okay, I don't know what's going on. I shut the meter on and off, and it's okay. I think I hit relative again, thinking it was going to clear it, but all it did was do relative on relative. So uh, it just took the difference between two different readings, I guess. But anyway, so I zeroed it out. I guess I hit relative, so I guess anything that happens now is going to be relative to this setting. And so what we'll do is we'll key up again, and we'll do the full 1500 watts, put a big load on this amplifier, and see what it pulls. So here we go. This is N4 MRN testing. And yep, there's 1500 watts. 1500 watts. We got the full 250 milliamps plate current, and we are down to 3.8. So we got a voltage drop about 4 volts. That's pretty good, I guess. I don't know what's good, what's bad, but I know that when I had the other amplifier, the Ameritron AL-82, 600 watts and 800 PEP, when I had him plugged into the plain old outlet here, or actually it was that one back there, on 110, this is the furthest room from the breaker panel. Anyway, I was getting a 10 volt drop, 9 volts, somewhere around 9 volts. So that was a pretty big drop. When it was dipping, that could have been the source of all my problems. So here again, so we'll demonstrate this again. So I'll just turn the meter off. Oh dear, turn it back on, volts AC. There's the 243, and I'm going to hit this relative button here. Okay, and I think that zeroes it out. I have the foot switch here. I'm going to hit the foot switch and press the mic to the exciter. Identify ourselves and put some fire in the wire, as they say. So here we go. N4 MRN testing. Hello audio. There's 1500 watts dead key down. Almost 250 milliamps plate current, which is the max. That meter is not real accurate, but I think it's within spec. And we are down, 4.5 volts. Interesting. Yeah, I wasn't getting that big of a voltage drop before. N4 MRN testing, yep, 4.5, 4.7. Interesting, almost 5 volts. Huh, maybe the wire's heating up a little bit. Next test would be to see how much current the thing is drawing. I haven't measured that yet, so but it's relative. I mean, there's probably apparently quite a bit of fluctuation on the line, the 220 line. That's Puget power for you, I guess. It's just the way things work. Here, relative. Okay, we're gonna do it again here. This is N4 MRN. See, here's about 4.5 watts, or 4.5 volts, 4.2 volts difference. So 4. All right, well, that concludes this test. I'm going to call that good and do some calculations. That's my baseline. Not much going on today other than that. A lot of work up in the attic, so I'm just going to sit back and relax, eat some yogurt here, try to clean up a little bit, and play with the cat. So there we got it.